Attention aspiring entrepreneurs, unlock the hidden costs of free in your journey to success. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal why free resources might be costing you more than you think in your entrepreneurial journey, and how smart investments in quality resources can significantly accelerate your path to success. Stick around to the end and I'll share with you an exclusive downloadable guide called Smart Investment Blueprint for Digital Entrepreneurs. It's packed with strategies and insights on making the right investments in your life and in your business. It's a game changer, and I'm offering it for free just for you. Drop the word SMART down in the comments or go ahead and DM me SMART directly. For those of you who haven't met me yet, I'm Tracy Brinkman, the voice behind the Dark Horse Entrepreneur and Your Success DNA podcast. With nearly 1 million downloads combined, I have been in the trenches in both analog and digital marketing since the 90s, which you can tell by the beard. I just dated myself. I've guided countless busy parents and professionals just like you in navigating the entrepreneurial landscape and making informed decisions on their business growth. So let's dive into understanding why free isn't always the best choice and how choosing wisely can propel you towards your entrepreneurial dreams. All right, my friends, let's face it. The internet is brimming with free resources, courses, ebooks, webinars. Oh my God, they're everywhere. You could burn a year watching YouTube videos alone, right? And it's tempting to do, right? Okay, I feel you. But here's the catch. Relying solely on these freebies can be like building a house on a shaking foundation, or on sand even. It's risky, and here's why. First, let's talk about expertise. Free resources are often created with general overviews in mind. They're usually lacking depth and any real actionable insights. When I first started, like many of you, I was piecing together information from various resources, from over here, over there, and mind you, I started before YouTube, so there's a twist. But here's a real twist. It was only after I invested in a well-structured course that the pieces of my digital marketing puzzle began to fall into place. This course was not just information, it was knowledge distilled from years of expertise and real-world experience. Next, consider customization. Yeah, see, here's the thing. Free resources, they're one size fits all. They don't cater to your unique business model, your unique personality, and your unique challenges. When I invested in a mentor, I received tailored advice that was relevant to my specific niche. That, my friends, alone is a game changer. The mentor helped me refine my strategies, focus on what I was working on, and ultimately, and more importantly, cut out everything I didn't need to be working on. And maybe I didn't need to be working on it right now. I need to save it for later. And I was so focused on doing it right now that it was keeping me from moving forward. This kind of customized guidance is something you rarely, if ever, will get from a free resource. And let's not forget about the community aspect. Yeah, right? Oh, Tracy, there's all kinds of great Facebook groups out there. Well, sure. But a quality paid program, often comes with access to a community of like-minded individuals. They're all headed the same way. Now, they may be going down different paths to get there, but they're all headed the same way. When I joined my first premium online marketing community, the network opportunities, they were invaluable, and they were everywhere. And here's the thing. I didn't go into it thinking, oh, I'm going to do all these great networking things. They kind of presented themselves in different ways. I mean, I could share ideas, I could get feedback, and then I found myself collaborating on projects. This network, the network became a support system that you just will not find in free forums, and you won't find in free groups, because all the freebies, all the tire kickers and plate lickers out there, most of them are not doing the work. They're just looking for the quick win, right? The get-rich-quick scheme. Nope. No, real folks out there have to put in time and energy are our most valuable assets. Every hour you spend on low-quality resources is an hour you're not spending on growing your business or growing yourself. I think then we need to talk about the commitment factor. When you invest in something, there's this psychological shift that happens in your mind. you're more committed to applying what you learn because you got a little skin in the game, right? Every dollar you spend acts like a commitment to your own growth. I personally noticed a shift in myself. When I started investing, my whole approach to learning and applying the concepts became a little more serious because I felt them a little bit more, right? And it became a lot more driven. And finally, let's consider the progression of skills. This is something that doesn't get talked about a lot, so I want to make sure I share it with you here. In the digital marketing world, things change rapidly. In business nowadays, with AI and the internet and digital marketing as a whole, everything is changing rapidly. What worked yesterday might not work today. Or something that worked 10 years ago and stopped working 5 years ago might work again today. Paid resources typically offer the latest strategies and the latest trends, keeping you at least on the curve, if not getting you ahead of the curve. They provide ongoing learning opportunities, which are crucial so you can stay relevant and so you can stay competitive. So let's wrap that all up and say that by investing in quality resources, whether it's courses or tools or a mentorship, you're not just buying information, right? You're getting information, but that's not all you're getting. You're investing in a system that offers expertise, customization, community, commitment, and up-to-date knowledge. Put all that together and you're going to punch your way right on through. This is real value that catapults you and your business. Is just straightforward, far outweighing the apparent savings of all the free resources that you've already consumed. So the real cost of free? Well, the real cost of free is not just about the money saved. It's about the time and the opportunities that you're losing. Now, before you go, don't forget, I want you to grab the Smart Investment Blueprint for Entrepreneurs. It's packed with insights on how to choose resources that offer real value and help you grow your business effectively. I want you to go ahead, grab it right now, and start making informed decisions that will lead you right to the success that you dream, desire, and deserve. Just drop the word SMART down in the comments or DM SMART directly to me. Think successfully and take action.